Have you heard the saying, the property has great bones? Well, this one sure does. So check this out. 407 Robert Lane, 9-bedroom, 12-bath, 13,404 square foot, just over an acre flat in Beverly Hills, north of Sunset / Truesdale, kind of in the middle, listed for $32 million. If you're new to the channel, I tell you 3 things I like about the property, 3 things I don't like about it, and then I use the AI tool I've created to analyze the market, tell you guys a little bit nuggets of gold so you can make better real estate decisions later. Harry, are you ready?
Let's get into it, Arvin. Tell me 3 things that you like about this property.
Look, number 3, 5 very generous bedrooms on the top floor. That's really rare. There's a ton of families that have a lot of kids in Beverly Hills, and I can tell you, this is amazing. If you have a lot of kids, then you can have all the kids on the same floor with a lot of space in between them, with a lot of privacy, which is very hard to find nowadays. I mean, 4 is amazing if someone finds 4 bedrooms on the same floor, but 5 is just like, you're really money. Number 2 is the location. Now, the location is kind of interesting with this because it's technically in Truesdale, and it's a 2-story home in Truesdale because all the houses in Truesdale are 1-story, so it's very rare. But it also falls into Beverly Hills north of Sunset, which is also an amazing area because it's right in the middle, right? Technically, it's Truesdale. Great location, very central, amazing street. The number 1 thing I like about this property is its scale and upside. If you like traditional homes, this is a traditional home done amazing. The ceiling heights are amazing. The volume of the rooms are amazing. The bedroom sizes are amazing. The backyard is amazing. It's just amazing amount of scale for how old of a property it is. They didn't make them this good back in the day, and it's just, done right. Now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like about the property, I've created an AI tool called zipsmart.ai that analyzes neighborhoods so you can make better, smarter real estate decisions. So make sure you watch to the end, okay? Should we do 3 things I don't like?
Let's do it, Arvin. Tell me what you don't like about this property.
Okay, number 3, traditional layout. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of traditional layout, and as I said earlier, even the fact that I'm not a fan, I recognize it as one that is done extremely well. But since it's my channel and I decide what's good or not, it's number 3. Number 2 is, as majestic and beautiful as this stairway is, it's really blocking your wow factor when you walk in. I mean, unless you have a fetish for staircases, which I think most of you don't, I would have loved to see a double-sided staircase or a beautiful one-sided staircase that it still allows you to see the depth of the yard, because this property sits on a beautiful flat lot that I think you guys would really enjoy, and this just doesn't cut it for me. Now, the number 1 thing that I don't like about this property is that it's north facing. And you know about me, I'm all about light. Now, the main foyer has an amazing light feature that floods the whole space with a lot of natural light, but you're just not gonna get that in every room, right? Now, before I end the video, you should know that the median days on the market for homes in Beverly Hills right now is 69 days. And that's dangerous because we're at the buyer territory. And this is one metric that zipsmart.ai measures. And if you're interested, you can visit zipsmart.ai yourself before version 3.0 comes, because it's going to be revolutionarily different. I'm going to raise the prices for version 3.0. Sign up right now. If you like this video, you would like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so people like you will see the video as well.